In today's video, we're taking a look at how to peel hard-boiled egg easy and simple. This is so easy, anyone could do it. Everything that we use on the video, we're gonna leave a link on the description. We're also gonna leave a link for our video on how to boil eggs from soft to hard. So today, you feel like eating some hard-boiled eggs, but you already know that with your claws, hands, upper body strength, you may deform those eggs that they no longer look like eggs. Don't worry, here at the StatUpBox team, we're gonna help you out with that. And first, we're gonna start with the easiest method of them all, and that requires a container. Anything that you could put the egg in and has a lid. We go ahead and place the egg, then add some water until we cover the egg. Then we place the lid, and then the trick is to shake the egg all around the container. You want to use a little bit of strength, but at the same time, you want to be gentle, because the last thing you want on a clear sunny day is your egg to die by drowning. And as you can see, your egg is ready to be devoured. In some cases, it may peel completely off. In others, you might have to peel just a little bit off to get the skin off. So we just saw the easiest way to do it. Now we're going to the second easiest way, and that's the old roll the egg on the counter method, where you gently press the egg on a surface for the goal to be that both the shell and the membrane separate from the egg. Once you feel that the shell feels soft, you can go ahead and start peeling away the shell. Now that you massage that egg, we can go ahead to the third easiest way. And for this one, you're gonna need a utensil. And that utensil is a spoon. And we're basically gonna take the spoon and crack the egg on the side that's the widest. Remove the top portion of the shell with your hand. Then using the spoon, we're gonna insert the spoon between the egg and the membrane. And then start going all around the egg until we get to the bottom. And just like that, you'll see the egg separate. Now that you've done to that egg things that you never thought you were gonna do, let's go ahead to the last method. And this is the one we go all hands in the deck. Some consider it the sexiest of them all. We once again crack the egg, and basically what we're gonna do is peel the egg by hand underwater. And basically what this is going to do is have the water go in between the membrane and the egg. Meanwhile, you pass your fingers through, and makes it easier for you to separate the shell from the egg. But what really makes this technique work is that you're drowning the egg and he's surrendering, or she, or none, or both. Now you're ready to enjoy your eggs. Don't forget, if you liked the video, please give us a thumbs up. That really helps. If you have any questions, place them in the comment section below. Either someone in the StatUpBox team or someone in the YouTube community can help you out with an answer. Don't forget to subscribe, follow us on social media. Thank you for watching, and here's a link to our latest video.